My name is Harris Kenny, and I am the Vice President of Marketing at Aleph Objects Incorporated. Aleph Objects makes the LulzBot line of desktop 3D printers. Aleph Objects was founded in January 2011 in Loveland, Colorado. And early on, we only had a handful of folks at the company, but over the last 5 years, we've grown to over 100 employees. And our headquarters in Loveland is 17,000 square feet. We do all of our production and manufacturing there, as well as sales, marketing, R&D. So our whole company is based out here in Colorado. Aleph Objects was started, really born from the free software movement over the last 30 years. Hackers developing projects like Wikipedia and Linux, and then the idea was basically to apply those same concepts to hardware. And so we did, and now we're building 3D printers. The LulzBot 3D printers are free software and open source hardware products. So all the designs, the blueprints, the bill of materials, the assembly instructions are all freely available online. So Aleph Objects is a free software and open source hardware company, and a lot of people ask, how do you make money if the designs are available for free? We charge a price, obviously, for our hardware, for the 3D printers, and then we also add value on top of that in the form of good documentation, technical support, reliable shipping, consistent production. And so you really add up all of those things, and that's why folks continue to buy from us, even though in theory they could build their own printer, and some people do, but most people just want to get one out of the box and start printing. As a Colorado company, we've seen that not only are we able to get folks that live here that know the skills, but if there's somebody that lives outside of Colorado or even moved to the United States from somewhere else, they're excited to move here. So the geography and the culture help a lot. But we've also seen the Colorado business community in particular, there's an increasing number of open source hardware companies like us. Companies like SparkFun in Boulder, organizations like the Open Source Hardware Association as well. So we're seeing there's an ecosystem of open hardware companies, and then there's also just generally people, employees, and educators and businesses interested in our products too. So our company was founded in January 2011, and we've been growing pretty much every year since then. Last year we did about $15 million in sales, and we have 100 employees. This year we're definitely planning on continuing to grow, both in terms of where we offer our customers. Here in February 2016, we're going to announce a fulfillment center in Australia, and we're also planning on investing more in our product line and then looking at maybe some products outside of 3D printing that we could offer for customers in the future. Colorado is a really entrepreneurial state. It's a lot of companies out here growing, building good businesses that are getting attention, not only attracting employees, but attracting press. And so when we're involved in competitions like Colorado Companies to Watch, and when we're able to succeed, it really is a signal to folks in the business community, in the press, that what we're doing is unique. And so it's really a privilege to have an award like Colorado Companies to Watch to say, hey, look, we're not the only ones that think that what we're doing is cool. Other people are also interested. One of the biggest challenges as we've been growing is looking to outside vendors, suppliers, consultants to help answer problems. And sometimes those folks have helped, but a lot of other times we've found that because of our unique business model and our unique approach to how we do business, we're much better served trying to figure out what we can do on our own first and then finding really targeted help. So sometimes it's been a challenge finding partners that can really help us scale the company because we're growing so quickly and because our philosophy is so unique. But we've been able to find a good mix, and we're working with some really great vendors now, and we're really excited about the future. As a free software and open source hardware company, we're built on transparency, honesty, and really the whole idea that we respect our customers and we respect their freedom to understand how our hardware works and to understand really what they can do next. So we're always trying to find new ways to collaborate. We have a user forum with tens of thousands of posts on it. We're very active on social media. Our customer support is available 7 days a week. So we do everything we can to be an open book with our customers.